What if I told you the biggest money mistake most people make isn't about how much they earn, but how they think about money? And most people never realize it until it's too late. Let me ask you something honestly. Do you ever feel like you work hard, you earn money, but somehow your bank balance never grows? You're not lazy, you're not bad with money, and you're definitely not alone. Millions of people live like this, paycheck to paycheck, not because they don't earn enough, but because of one silent mistake they were never taught to avoid. And this mistake quietly keeps them stuck for years. Here it is. The biggest money mistake most people make is spending first and saving last. Not budgeting, not planning, not thinking long term. They treat money like something to enjoy now instead of something to protect their future. Every time money comes in, it goes out. New phone, new clothes, eating out, subscriptions, small daily expenses that don't feel big but add up fast. The problem isn't spending, the problem is spending without a system. And most people never fix this because no one teaches them how. Let me tell you about Ahmed. Ahmed works a full-time job. He earns enough to survive. Every month he tells himself, next month I'll save. But next month comes and the money disappears again. One day his car breaks down. He doesn't have emergency savings, so he uses a credit card, then another, then another. Soon Ahmed isn't just broke, he's stressed, tired, and trapped. Not because he's irresponsible, but because he was never taught a simple system for money. And that's the story of millions of people. Now, here's the good news. You don't need more income to start. You need better habits. Let me show you a simple system anyone can follow. First, pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, before you spend, before you do anything, save a small amount, even 5% or 10%. Treat savings like a bill you must pay to yourself. Second, track every rupee or dollar. For 7 days, write down every coffee, every snack, every online purchase. Not to feel guilty, but to become aware. Awareness is power. Third, create a simple spending plan, not a complicated budget. Just 3 categories: needs, rent, food, bills; wants, fun, lifestyle; future, savings, emergency fund. Money should go to your future, not just your present. Fourth, build a small emergency fund. Start with a goal: 1 month of expenses, then 3 months, then 6 months. This protects you from debt. This gives you peace. This gives you control. Fifth, investing in your mind. Read books, watch financial education, learn skills. Because your income will grow only when your thinking grows. And here's the part most people never reach. Poor mindset says, I'll save when I earn more. Rich mindset says, I save first, then I live with what's left. Poor mindset says, I need this now. Rich mindset says, will this help my future or steal from it? Poor mindset reacts. Rich mindset plans. Money isn't just about numbers, it's about identity. Who are you becoming? Most people never make it past this point because the final step requires something harder than discipline: responsibility. The responsibility to stop blaming the economy, the boss, the system, and start saying, my future is my responsibility. That's the moment everything changes. You don't need to be rich to start. You don't need a perfect job. You don't need luck. You just need one decision: to stop repeating the same money patterns. Your past doesn't define your financial future. Your habits do. And today, you can start building a life where money works for you, not against you. If this video helped you think differently about money, please like the video. It really supports the channel. Subscribe if you want more simple, real-life finance lessons like this. And comment below, what's the one money habit you want to change this month? Let's grow together. This video is for educational purposes.